Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about US Mobile and how it's kind of dabbing its feet on 3-month plans that you can just buy for 3 months at a time and usually get a multi-month discount. So let's go ahead and take a look, guys. Also, they're getting a big amount of investment from investors and a couple of changes coming to their unlimited plan. So let's talk about it. This is brought to you by bestmvno.com. Check them out, guys. So it says US Mobile is the latest wireless provider to test a multi-month plans. The company founder, CEO Ahmed Katak disclosed yesterday in the Best Phone Plan podcast. Check them out, guys. They're pretty cool. It has been offering a 3-month wireless plan exclusively through Amazon. Wow. So didn't really know that. So looks like Amazon does sell US Mobile plans, and you can get multi-month plans through them. It says the following is similar strategy taken by Boost Mobile. Of course, Boost Mobile has been doing 3, 6, and 12-month phone plan exclusively through Stack Social Network. So all those videos that I've been making about Boost Mobile and their multi-month deals, they are true, guys. So look at that. Check that out. So it says before later making them available in big box stores and through its own website. So Boost Mobile exclusively was doing these through Stack Social Network, but now you can actually get it at store or online. So according to Katak, I'm sorry if I'm butchering the last name, the company's COO Michael Melmond has been highly in favor of launching wireless in bulk monthly multi-month discount plans. However, Katag himself sounded a bit less enthusiastic, wondering how it'll fit into their technological and with also their offering. So it says he did state that consumers can expect to see them in some form later this year. So basically they're saying that he's not really into it fully, or he's not fully committed, should I say, into it, guys. But basically you will see these multi-month plans later this year. So it's coming, but he's not really 100% committed to it just yet. He also stated last week they raised well over $11 million in capital funding, guys. So wow. So this will be announced next week. Of course, you want funding for a company like, US Mobile, just because it's smaller right now. I believe it has about 200,000 plus members, guys. So that's a lot of members. But that's nothing compared to big boys, So yeah. So if you want to survive in this industry, you definitely need a big consumer base. You need a big consumer base because they're the ones that pay the bill. So you always want to offer them something to entice them to switch over to your carrier or your company and keep them. It says US Mobile's 3-month plan option details. So it says the multi-month discount plan that US Mobile is currently selling on Amazon is priced at $30 for 3 months of wireless service. So that's not bad. $30 for 3 months of service. Of course, you're not going to get as much data or anything like that. So like I said, it gets consumers unlimited talk, text, and 5 gigs monthly high-speed data. So yes, guys, it's $30 a month for 3 months. So it's basically $10 a month, but you get unlimited talk, text, and 5 gigs of data. So you're buying in bulk. It's kind of like going to Costco or Sam's Club. If you're buying in bulk, you usually get a better discount. So, but at 5 gigs, guys, I could now live with that. I don't know. Maybe there are some people out there that can. It says data is hard capped each month. Ooh. So once you hit that 5 gigs, guys, you're basically out of luck. It's basically chopped off. It says, however, data top-ups are available, so that's good. If you run over your data, you can do a data top-up. It says the plan works on the consumer's choice of either the Verizon network, Warp 5G, or T-Mobile's network. It says US Mobile, T-Mobile based customers with iPhones will not get 5G data access. Ooh, that's another bad thing. But it says, but Verizon based customers will. So if you're on T-Mobile, you will not get access to the 5G T-Mobile network, but if you are on Verizon's, then yes. It says US Mobile normally sells their plans through its own website for $15 a month plus taxes and fees. So buying in bulk will save consumers at least $15 over the 3-month times spammers paying a monthly plan. So like I said, yeah, it's kind of a big chunk at first. I mean, $30 is not that much. But, if you think about it, like I said, bulk buying, you get a cheaper rate. So that is pretty cool. It says there's an update, it looks like, to the story. It says for the time being, as it is trial offering, the 3-month plan does not renew once the 3-month of service is up. Customers will have to renew by the month until more formally offerings are released later this year. Ooh. Not too much information about that. That just they raised more than $11 million, which is pretty good. Like I said, Volition Capital, which is a growth equity firm out of Boston, is the one that actually invested the $11 million. So yeah, guys, I mean that's pretty good. They're gonna do lots of offerings, and better deals. So he also stated the average customer pays US Mobile north of $30, while last year that number was $20. So you can see consumers are probably needing more data and getting better deals. So it's always good. It says the company expects to reach 100 million in recurring revenue next year. Doing a little bit of math. This was adjusted subscriber count of around 277,000. Wow, almost 300,000 customers. That's no small number. That's pretty good. Now, US Mobile could be coming to retail. So it says the CEO also noted that his company will be launching into retail, guys. Ooh, he did not specify the name or anything like that. He didn't, like I said, he didn't specify the name, but he did say it's not going to be a Walmart, which is a bummer because there's a lot of reach there in Walmart. That could be a bad choice for him. I would say Walmart's definitely the place you want to get into because there's so many consumers, guys, already going through Walmart. It says although he would like a presence there. So he's saying it's not going to be Walmart. So it's probably not up to him. I think the big boys already have a lot of real estate at Walmart. And like I said, if you get into Walmart, it's like the holy grail there. So it's not going to be Walmart, but he's saying he would like to be there. It says, or in dealer or master dealer channels, aside from Walmart, Target, and Best Buy, which are the two largest retail chains that sell the widest variety of wireless services. So a launch into one of these stores may be most likely. So it might be, Walmart, Target, or Best Buy. Even though he's saying not Walmart, it still could be Target or Best Buy. Best Buy would probably be a good choice, I would say, because people usually go to Best Buy for technology and phones and stuff like that. I don't think they really go to Target for that kind of stuff. It says establishing a retail presence can have a significant impact on the growth of the company, allowing them to reach a different audience. Yep. It's not clear though if this retail presence will include selling phones in store, which can also be a big driver of growth, which is true, guys. And last thing, so many things in this one. US Mobile plans to announce 2 new updated unlimited plans in the coming days, including a cheaper option than the $45 monthly plan currently available, but it will also come with less high-speed data. Ooh. So right now you have unlimited data on the 45 unlimited plan, but I believe you get kind of capped at 75 gigs. So once you use 75 gigs, it could reduce your speeds. But they're saying for $45 a month, that's what you get. But cheaper than that, you will get probably different options, maybe 30 gigs of data instead of the 75 or something like that. It says, meanwhile, another unlimited plan will be available with 50 gigs of mobile hotspot at the same starting price at the current plan. So another cool thing is for $45 now, you will be able to get unlimited talk, text, and unlimited data. Remember, 75 gigs is usually the cap. But now you will get 50 gigs of mobile hotspot. I believe currently it's only 20 gigs. At least that's what it said. Usually it's 10, but I believe US Mobile does 20. It's going to bump up to 50 gigs of mobile hotspot. So that's pretty cool, guys. And then, of course, I have an unlimited cheaper plan. So that's always good as well. So let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. Are you using US Mobile? Check out the podcast from Best Phone Plans. Pretty cool. So that's their podcast. You can check them out on YouTube. So Thank you for watching, guys. I'd like to share all this information with you guys. You know you are the best. So thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Just got off work, so I'm a little tired. But yeah.